If you are experiencing issues with the drag and drop functionality in Windows 11, there is a straightforward solution. Begin by searching for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Once the list of running applications populates, locate Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. It is important to note that if you do not immediately see Windows Explorer listed, scroll down to the very bottom of the application list, as it may be found there. After Windows Explorer restarts, you will observe a brief screen flicker for a few seconds, after which the drag and drop functionality should be restored. Should the initial step not resolve the problem, proceed to right-click on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. Click on Check for Updates to ensure your system is up to date. Following the completion of any pending updates, a restart of your computer is recommended. To do this, right-click on the Start button, then select Shut Down or Sign Out, and finally choose Restart. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.